Hi, this is June again, and today I'll be demonstrating the Scorpius P20MT, which is basically an upgraded version of the Scorpius P20, which I demonstrated last week. This keyboard features a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity. The package includes a small box, and the keyboard comes wrapped in a plastic bag like this. And the keyboard actually measures about 12 inches by 6 inches. It's very small, thin, and light, as you can see. It also comes with a USB receiver, 2 AA rechargeable batteries, the charging cable, and the user guide. It's great because it has wireless connectivity. You can use it as your HDPC systems, home theater systems, presentation rooms, and also car PCs. It's made out of high quality rubber membrane key switches, so it feels really good when you're typing, very comfortable, has good grip. It also has 3 LED indicators letting you know the transmitter, the function button, and the low battery power. It also has 16 MC hotkeys, so it's very easy to use your multimedia functions with the press of a button. And this keyboard is really nice because it has an on and off power button, which lets you save the battery life when you're not using it at all. And again, it has rechargeable functions, so you can recharge the battery by plugging this in and also into the USB receiver. And you can plug it into your computer and it'll be recharging the rechargeable batteries it comes with. Also, you can also use your own rechargeable battery, which I think should recharge the battery much faster. This keyboard is very easy to use because, again, like the Scorpius P20, it's a plug-and-play application. So all you have to do is stick in the USB receiver, put the battery in the keyboard, turn the power on, and connect the keyboard. After that, you should be able to browse online freely, no problem at all, no cords. From far back or close up, you can type whatever you want, it works without a problem. Anywhere, further back, close up. And this keyboard retails for about $59.95, which I think is an awesome deal for what you're basically getting: a trackball mouse, multimedia functions, and a very slim-sized keyboard like this.